Hey guys, JJ here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build this incredible useful door hanging jig. All you need is an offcut piece. I'm using melamine as it is the same thickness to the material I'm using. First you want to cut 3 pieces. One will be for the bottom, the other one for the middle, and the other one for the top of this jig. The bottom piece will be bigger on the sides. The middle piece will be a thinner piece. And the top will be the same width as the middle but longer. Assembling this jig, you will need a drill and some screws. First you'll make some pilot holes in the middle piece and fasten it with screws. The same you'll do with the top piece. Make some pilot holes and fasten it with screws. It is as simple as 1, 2, 3 and you have your jig. No more holding onto doors and trying to get the first screw in. Just slide it at the bottom of your cupboard. Now your door will rest on the sides of it and now you can hang doors in no time. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and follow for more useful tips. And there you have it, your jig. See you on the next one.